My lord, my client has got loss of his property. His brother snatched his property by cons.
Excuse me, my lord. She is blaming my client without any reason. I cannot let it happen. I will prove it, and now I want to go Ritesh in victim box. Am I permitted?
Excuse me, my honor. I will prove this. She want to prove my client liar.
Excuse me, my lord. I said to you first.
Order, what is happening here?
You can't do fight in the court. Please make some silence in the court.
Firstly, Mac, you continue.
Sir, I want to go Ritesh in victim box. Am I permitted?
Yes, you are permitted.
Ritesh, please come in victim box.
Put your hand on this. Whatever you will say truth. Apart from this, you will say nothing.
I am taking oath. Whatever I will say, I am say truth. Apart from this, I will say nothing.
Mr. Ritesh, did Somesh come at your home with paper to get your son?
Yes.
So why are you blaming my client?
Objection, Your Honor. She is confusing my client. She is making him puzzled.
Excuse me, my honor, till I did not finish and she is interrupting in between. I want to ask you this, are you educated?
Yes, I have passed 5th class, but I want to say when my brother came with property paper, he just not tell me. He said, I want your sign here. He is my brother, so I did not ask anything to him. I signed on the paper. After that, I got to now he got my sign by cons on the property paper.
Excuse me, Your Honor. I want to call Somesh in victim box. Am I permitted?
Yes, you are permitted.
Somesh, please come in victim box.
Put your hand on this. Whatever you will say truth. Apart from this, you will say nothing.
I am taking oath. Whatever I will say truth. Apart from this, I will say nothing.
Did you tell to Ritesh for what are you getting his sign on paper?
Yes, I said to Ritesh even many times, but Ritesh did not read the paper. So what is my fault in this?
Somesh is saying right. Now I want to call Muskan in victim box. She was there when it was happening. Am I permitted?
Yes, you are permitted.
Muskan, please come in victim box.
Put your hand on this. Whatever you will say truth. Apart from this, you will say nothing.
I am taking oath. Whatever I will say truth. Apart from truth, I will say nothing.
Were you there when Somesh was getting Ritesh sign on property paper?
Yes, I was there.
What were you doing there?
I went to give invitation card of wedding. All that time, Somesh signed some papers, and I just listened that he was forcing Ritesh for reading the paper. I don't ask that for what are you forcing him, but I can say that Somesh is a good person. He can't do this with his brother. I even watched them doing fighting.
Excuse me, Your Honor. I have also a proof that can prove it that Somesh got Ritesh signed by cons. May I call Ruchika in victim box? Am I permitted? Ruchika, please come in victim box.
Put your hand on this. Whatever you will say truth. Apart from this, you will say nothing.
I am taking oath. Whatever I will say truth. Apart from this, I will say nothing. What is your relation with Somesh and Ritesh? I am their sister. What do you do? I am preparing for government service, so I am taking coaching Rohtak for this. There was holidays for 2 or 3 days, so I came at my home. When I came at my home, then the environment of my house is not as it was here. Why your house environment is not well? Yes, sure. Actually, my brother Somesh daily used to fight with my younger brother Ritesh. When I tried to ask to him, then he used to say, this is our personal matter. One day I listened to my brother. He is talking to our neighbor Muskan. Our neighbor Muskan is not a good person. She backbiting of others. Oh, now, my lord, you can see that Somesh grabbed Ritesh property by cons. Proof is in front of you. I want justice for my client. I hope you will take sport of truth.
Okay, after knowing everything, the court is taking decision that Somesh is Ritesh property by cons. So now, Somesh will have to return half property to Ritesh.
And for doing this crime, the court is taking one decision more. That by 302 article, the court is giving 3 years punishment to Somesh, and he will be behind the prison for 3 years.
Thanks, my lord, for taking decision for truth.
Dismissed.